the other side of the motor. New hydraulics, brake master cylinder, clutch, slave and master. And it's in really good clean shape underneath. Go back and open the trunk. Got the jack, the tonneau cover, and brand new replacement for the gauge, suction gauge holder, spare tire.